Today I'm going to show you how to use the Saute feature on your Ninja Possible Pro. This thing has so many great features. I challenge you, if you have one of these, to try some of the other features beyond just the slow cooker. We're having some friends over tonight for taco night, and I'm going to use my slow cooker to saute the taco meat, get it all cooked and ready, and then turn it to slow cook mode so it stays nice and warm until we're ready to serve up dinner. I've got my onions chopped. I've got some turkey ready to cook. First, let's turn it on. And we're gonna put it on sear saute. I'm gonna leave it on high because I wanna brown this meat. Now press start. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in here. It heats up pretty fast. I can already feel the heat coming up from it. You'll see these little indicators continue to appear. So there was one solid and one flashing at first. Now there's 4 solid and 1 flashing. So you can see it's getting hotter and hotter. I'm going to start with my chopped onion. It is starting to sizzle. We often use ground beef for tacos, but tonight we're doing ground turkey. This is about 3 pounds of ground turkey in here. So you can see this fits a lot. It actually fits the 2 packs better than my regular pans would fit. It's already starting to brown. I like using a high setting to saute meat. I think it cooks it faster, and I want to make sure it gets cooked all the way through. The pan does get hot, but if you accidentally touch it, it's not necessarily going to burn you. It's just going to feel hot up top. I love something I can prep earlier in the day and leave on slow cook mode when we're entertaining so that I'm not doing all the heavy lifting in the kitchen when the guests are here. This meat is looking pretty good. So I think this is ready to add some taco seasoning and some water, and then we can turn it onto slow cook mode until we're ready to eat. It took me about 24 minutes from start to end to saute the onions, to add the meat, to cook about just over 3 pounds of meat all the way through and season it. So now we're going to hit stop. It goes back to slow cook mode. I'm going to put it on low because this is already cooked. We just want it to stay nice and warm. We'll hit start, and I'm going to adjust the time because we only have a couple hours until our guests get here. Now we have used 1 giant pan to prep a bunch of taco meat on saute mode, and we're going to leave it on slow cooker mode until we're ready to serve. Have we met yet? My name's Sarah, and I'm the mom next door. I'm all about finding ways to live life better and sharing what I learn with all of you. I invite you to hit subscribe and join the virtual village.